Guys, if you are thinking of putting your hard-earned money into the Harley Davidson X440 T, stop. Don't do anything until you watch this review till the end. I've just completed 1200 kilometers on this beast, and it's not what everyone tells you about. That you are driving a superb machine, a refined engine, a really good deep exhaust, even though it's a single cylinder. Guys, this isn't just a bike, it's an identity. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, people stop and stare. They are staring at me about right now while I'm making this video of this bike. And trust me, they are not looking at me, they are looking at the bike. The deep exhaust note, it's addictive. Even though it's a single cylinder, it sounds like a true Harley Davidson. Guys, I've just turned on the engine. See yourself, I have driven it 1174 kilometers. Next, I'll tell you what mileage it gives and what about the power, because everybody wants to know how this machine performs. So, guys, now I'm going to turn on the engine and will show you how the exhaust sounds. So, guys, just listen to the sound, the deep exhaust. I hope it is clear. So guys, now let's talk about power. The low end torque is mind blowing. You can pull up to the third gear in as low as the 20 km per hour speed on the highway. 100, 110 and even 120 feels like a dream. Past 120 kilometers per hour speed, you start feeling the little vibrations, but it is so smooth even then. So guys, just see the pickup of this bike. I am on the third gear right now. The ride is super smooth. The braking is really powerful and it doesn't slip anywhere. Now I'm showing the real life scenario of how this bike feels, and if you buy this bike, how you will feel. Most of the guys don't show you these things, but I will. I'm in the first gear now and I'll show you the power. I'll even taking turns on this bike is really smooth. See, taking a turn is also a breeze, and you will love riding this bike in the city because the acceleration is really amazing. Guys, one thing I didn't like about this bike is the back seat. It is not as comfortable as you think it is. First person seat is still fine. It is also not that good, but this is not sporty. If you can, please change it, because two medium sized people cannot sit over this. If you're going on a trip, you're two people, it gets a little uncomfortable. The Royal Enfield is still better in that aspect. I will recommend the sitting is still better because it has separate seats and it is just a plain old leather. Now let's get real. The brakes are superb. The exhaust is great. The engine is mind blowing, guys. So, guys, now let's come to the conclusion. Is it worth the 3.5 lakhs you want to invest in this bike? If you want a bike which is vigilant as you are, if you want road presence, if you want something apart from Royal Enfield, which has more power, which is more sporty, which has more designs, really modern feel, then yes, you should go for it. I go over, even above 120 kilometers per hour. This bike gives me real power. So guys, like, comment and subscribe. Please share this video if you like this. Ride safe, brothers, and take care. Dragons Red Tech. Goodbye.
I was built to last with the whims I'm weaving. I could change the past. I'm all achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em.